Feature: 10x magnification 42mm large size objective lens increase the transmittance of light. 18mm large size eyepiece brings you the best experience. BAK4 Prism with FMC multilayer coating can clearly observe the target in the dark environment and present the bright and clear image. 12.5 m focal length, easy to focus the target butterfly 2.5 m away, accurate fast focus and large field of view. Simple and stylish outlook, environment friendly and shockproof rubber shell, stable and comfort. Compact and handy roof structure with waterproof design, light and sturdy, suitable for outdoor activity, travel, sport game and concert. Specifications: NOCOEX item model number X6120 magnification 10x caliber 42mm prism system, roof prism glass BAK4 focus system right eyepiece, center field of view 303 foot /1000 yards exit pupil diameter 4 mm exit pupil distance 13.6 mm coating FMC-Green Item Dimensions 157*55*128 mm 2 to 3 mm difference measured by hand color black package includes 1x binoculars 1x belt 1x wiping cloth 1x carrying bag 1x user guide 1x package bag 10x magnification, field of view 305 foot /1000 yards, 18 mm large angle. Objective lens, the best binoculars with roof structure and easy operate. BAK4 Prism. FMC optical coating prism, high transmittance of light, present clear and bright image. Focus design, where focus wheel can easy to adjust and find the target, adjustable goggles that is suitable for user with glasses. High quality metal mirror body with environment friendly rubber shell, streamlined appearance, ergonomic design, practical, stylish and handy with shockproof. Package include belt and carrying bag, easy to carry and suitable for outdoor activity like bird watching, concert, sport game and detection. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.